Hey y'all, it's Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I am coming at y'all with the head wrap hack, showing you how to keep your head wrap in place. Now, all of my turbanistas out there know the struggle. When wrapping, oftentimes your bun falls off. You have to try multiple times, and that thing just be slipping and sliding all over the place, which is super frustrating. But not today, girl. So I'm first going to be starting off with my volumizer. This is just another scarf that I wrapped around my hand and tucked securely. If I want a really tall wrap, I'll tend to make this bun bigger. And this right here is the key. To keep everything in place, I'm going to be using a wig cap. I'm simply going to place that over the bun. And I know I'm serving cone head realness right now, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm then going to take my scarf. I picked this one up from Afrocentric Network at the World Natural Hair Show a few months ago. Super cute. I'll leave all the information down below where you can check that out. I love the print and the colors on this. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap my scarf around my dome. And some of you guys say that I move real fast. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all catch this vibe, okay? But that is it, y'all. Everything is secure and in place, and my finesse game could not be any stronger. Went ahead and accessorized, and I'm feeling myself. But if you guys want to see more head wrap tips and tricks like this video right now, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and go ahead and turn on those post notifications if you're a real one. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.